Hello guys, welcome to Super Crazy Hacks. Today I am doing Savlon and ENO experiment. How will happen? We will check it. ENO versus Savlon. Check it. ENO and the Savlon and ENO. We will mix it and then check. This is simple and easy experiment. It is a science experiment for this. This is only liquid and this ENO. It is a fruit salt ENO and gets to work in 6 seconds only. It is orange flavor. So we will mix up with Savlon and ENO. Let's check what happened in this. This is a plastic empty glass. We will keep it here, and then this is a Savlon. So we will pour into empty glass. Now we'll add, this is ENO, it is lime fresh, it is fruit salt, lime orange flavor. So Savlon and ENO, what happened, we will check it. Wow, it is amazing reaction. Now check this. Wow, very good. కింద ఇట్ట. ఇది. The Savlon and ENO, it is getting like this reaction. This is amazing reaction with this. It is creating like a foam. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget the bell icon. Thank you for watching.
you.